Online booking for next year's Hethel track day experience is now available in the link in the description.
Each lap you just feel you're getting faster and faster. The grip in the Emira is just incredible. I don't know how they do it.
Good morning everybody, welcome to Lotus Cars here at Hethel. It's going to be an awesome day, we've got loads of good stuff lined up for you. There's a tremendous amount that we can coach individually on all of these sessions, and each session, regardless of the event you do, will be tailored to you when you're in the car with the instructor. The really special thing about coming to Lotus to do one of our track days is that there's so much heritage and history here. It's where we build the Emira, the Avaya, and develop the new Lotus products. You get to go on the same test track that the Lotus engineers test and develop them as well.
Wow, what a blast that was. Absolutely phenomenal. Car and a half, I've got to say.
The Emira is the culmination of many years of development. It is purely for the drivers, and you'll feel that as soon as you get in there. Particularly doing one of the activities, for example, like the slalom, or the brake and avoid, the understeer oversteer is phenomenal, and just how close you can push it as well.
Yeah, that was great fun. The power of that thing is incredible. It's relentless, just pushes and pushes. The grip in the corners are just fantastic.
The instructor will get the most out of you to get the most out of the car, and you'll absolutely love it, there's no doubt.
One, the car is great, but I think the experience of somewhere like Markham there to take you through it, you can't get anywhere else really.
In terms of new skills that people come away with, you found confidence of how to control the car at speed, and also being able to improve your situational awareness and vision. As an instructor, it's a fantastic experience. You get to meet so many wonderful people, and to see them grow in confidence and experience, and then to get more and more out of the car is just so rewarding and satisfying to see.
First time in the Emira, really good fun. Learned quite a lot about my driving. Nice just to be here and see where it all happens.
Having F1 legend teaching you and getting to see like all the new facilities that Lotus have here as well, I would definitely come back.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share.